to be making the Icelandic bind off. It's very flexible and very easy to make. So you're going to knit that first one and bring it back to your left hand needle. Now you're going to go in between that stitch and you're going to pick up the second one, knit it, take off those 2 stitches from your left hand needle and put it back on your left needle. So again, we're going to knit the second stitch, take it off, take off the first one, bring it back to your left hand needle. So again, we're going to knit the second stitch, take off those 2 and bring back that to your left hand needle. So knit the second one and bring back that stitch. Go in between that stitch, in between that loop, and knit the second one and bring it back to your left hand needle. Knit the second stitch, take off, bring back, knit the second stitch, take off, bring back, pick up the second stitch, take off, bring back that stitch, knit the second stitch, take off, bring back, knit the second stitch, take off, bring back, go in between the stitch, knit the second one, take off, bring back, take off that second stitch, take off, bring back, knit the second stitch, take off, bring back, and then you cut your yarn and you pass it through the loop. So let's put the whole thing in there. And there you have it. You're done. See how neat that is? That's the way it looks on the edge. It's a little bit thick, but it gives it very, very flexible bind off. Very nice. So thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. I'll see you next time.